What's up guys, welcome back to Forex and Cryptocurrency. Today I want you to install MetaTrader in your PC. Install MetaTrader 4 XNES and then click here so that we can start trading on our PC. I want you to find the MetaTrader 4 and install it, and find MetaTrader 5 and install it. And if you are using the Linux, just install it from the terminal, so that we can start trading Forex directly on our PC. Here, just click here, install MetaTrader 5. Follow my steps if you want to learn Forex trading and how to trade on the MetaTrader platform. Here, after you install it, the MetaTrader will look like this. And then you have to put some currency pair. I'll put the Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CHF, USD JPY, which are the most common because I want it on a 4 window. Yes, I like it that way, on a 4 window, so that I can monitor like 4 trades in same time. So here, just link your accounts, log into your trade accounts directly, or you can open an account. Find your broker, if it's FBS, Octoforex, XM. Me, I use XNES. Just click find your company, and when you find it, just click next. When you find it, this one, click next. After clicking next, you will see you can open a demo account where you can start practicing and testing your strategies, and you can open a real account for live trading. And me, I'll just connect my account that I have and my password, and don't forget the server. This is very important. People mess up here very bad, so you have to select your server. I've already linked my account. So after linking my account, here I remove the grid lines so that my charts do not look messed up. I like to use my charts without the grid lines. And here, as you can see, this is the Euro USD. I'm using the 1 hour chart. I'll put here a trend line because I can see it's a very bullish move right now. As you can see here, this is a very bullish move, and I'll put here a support area. This is a strong support area. Reduce the size here, and then click OK. After clicking OK, I'll put another resistance area here, because this is also a support and also a resistant area, because I can see the price broke out of the resistance area and it officially became support. You can test your strategies here at the MetaTrader. I love this MetaTrader because you can do your analysis here, and you can also place your trades right here, as you can see. Now, as you can see here, you can insert indicators like the moving average, MACD, and so many more indicators. Like here at the trend, you can insert moving average, standard deviation, oscillators. You can insert MACD, RSI, RVI, and so many more. You can also insert the volumes, the Bill Williams, and also you can enter your customized indicators right here. Let's put moving average for the purposes of this video. I'll go with the exponential moving average 50, and then I'll choose color red, and then I don't see anything to change here. Let me put that way for better visualization, and then okay. And then I'll also put the EMA 50, that is the exponential moving average 50. And then after putting the 200, let me put the exponential 200 and change the color to blue. No, this is bright. Yes, as you can see, this is the 200 EMA, so that we can confirm our trades using price action. Yes, as you can see here, let's put also the MACD for confirmation, the moving average convergence and divergence. Let's press OK. Okay, now I don't see anything. Okay, as you can see, this is the moving average and we are looking very bullish at the moment. You can delete your indicators here, play around with MetaTrader and you learn more about this. You can learn more about MetaTrader. Here you can change into the bar graphs and the line graphs, but I like to use the candlesticks, so I'll use the candlesticks because they tell a better story. And then here you can read the price. As you can see here, read the price. You can read the price so that you can put your take profits and also your stop loss immediately. So you can see this is the price, was there. Yeah, that is the price for the Euro USD at the moment. It is 1.07690 and it's going up at the moment. Let's take a new order, the Euro USD 1 hour. Reduce my lot size into 0.02 and I like to use the euro. Don't forget to put your stop loss because you can get liquidated at any time, and use a good risk management. Remember that trading is very risky and you can get liquidated at any time. This is just educational advice. If you want to learn about forex trading, put a good risk management so that if you want to sell, if you are in a bearish move you sell, and if you are in a bullish move you sell. So you are in a bullish move we sell, and we are not in a limit order, so we have executed at the market order. And here is our trade. As you can see, we are already in profit. As you can see, we are already in profit. Here you can modify your trades, or you can even close your positions. As you can see, let's see the depth of the market, and we are looking, it's looking very bullish. So many buyers at the market right now. Yes, as you can see here, and this is a good trade. As you can see, it's a very good trade. You can also put your trailing stop if you want, so that to avoid losses if you are in good profit. But I'll not put the trailing stop because the market is very volatile at the moment, as you can see. So here at the chart you can see you can enter so many time frames. There is 1 minute, 5 minutes, there's even 3 minutes in this MetaTrader for PC as compared to the smartphone one. As you can see at the 20 minutes, I love this because even when you choose higher time frames like the 6 hours, which are not provided in the smartphone one, you can find chart patterns that were not clear on the other platform. You can also use TradingView to do your analysis. It's a very good app. As you can see here, we are looking very bullish at the moment, very bullish, and that's a good trade. As you can see, that's a very good trade. You can use the TradingView, as I said earlier, to do your analysis so that your charts cannot look messed up. When you use the grid lines, you see it's very messed up. So I love to use my charts without the grid lines, as clearly and pure a start. Let's see the other USDCHF, how they are behaving, so that to see if we can enter position. At now it's on a resistance zone and it's going down. It's going down. And here, as you can see, if you want to add another pair, you can add. I've added the AUD and ZD, the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar, and you can start trading them immediately. Play around with it, and as you can see here, our trade was good. We have already taken our take profit, so it has already hit our take profit, and that was a good trade. If you want to learn more about forex trading, follow our other videos. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, watch our other videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Yes, as you can see here, This was a good trade because it even broke the 200 EMA exponential moving average, and it's going to go up. I'll not enter another trade because I've already gained, as you can see here, $1.82, and that was a good trade. And thank you guys for watching, and I hope you learn more about MetaTrader, and see you in the next one.